ever wonder what kind of makeup, skincare, and beauty tools professional makeup artists use to make celebrities look their best for the big screen? Well, celebrity makeup artist Michelle Phillips is here to let us in on what she's been using for years on her clients. And here's the best part: how you can use it too.
That's right.
Welcome, Michelle. How's it going?
Great. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I know this is the first
missed you
time.
guys.
You have been traveling all over the place, but you're always looking fabulous. Not that I am surprised.
Thank you. You are too. And speaking of looking fabulous, you know, I am so excited to share with you this company today because for years, I have had women sit in my chair, whether it's celebrities getting ready for stage or television or film, or just everyday women that I work with. And the first thing they ask me is, and I know you and I talk about it all the time, okay,
I'm guilty of this.
What should I use? Where can I buy it?
Yep.
And and how do I get this for myself? And also I have a lot of women that ask me how they can get into the beauty industry. You know, makeup artistry now is a career that people really want to get into, as opposed to when I got into it 30 years ago. I'm dating myself. But back then, you know, people said, oh, you want to be a makeup artist? Like, what do you do?
What do you do?
Yeah, exactly. So I've been ordering my makeup for my professional kit. You know, as I've worked with people from Vogue magazine to big movie sets and TV, from a company called Alcone. And Alcone is based in New York, and they've been in business for 65 years, providing all the celebrities and makeup artists the professional tools and makeup, and also skincare for stage and film. And so now they have created Lime Life by Alcone because so many people have wanted to order for themselves the same products that we professional beauty experts use for, you know, for celebrities for the big screen. And so what they've done is they've taken the best formulas from Alcone and they've created a skincare and makeup line with the same formulas for Lime Life Cosmetics by Alcone. So it's fantastic because now you can order it too.
I'm curious, what is it about this line that you just really liked and why you stuck with them and continued to use them for so many years on your celebrity clients?
Well, they create products that are specifically made to really enhance your skin, first of all. Their skincare really does help your complexion overall, and it's all natural, no harsh chemicals, and paraben-free skincare products. And also their makeup is made with the best products. I mean, Kryolan, which is what I've used for concealer for years, RCMA, which is the foundation I've used. These are just two brands that you cannot get the same quality anywhere out there for what I do for a living and to get that beautiful, flawless look. And then also now, because so many makeup artists, you know, wanted to have a way that they could make money off of the products that they were selling.
Yeah.
Now, Lime Life by Alcone has also created a way that you can become a beauty guide as well. They provide a starter kit for you. You just order a starter kit based on your personal complexion, so that way you start using it and you get to know the products. And they give you this starter kit that also includes skincare so that you can start using the products. And then they have an 8-day online training course, well as all the resources to start your own business so you can actually start making money and help other women feel their best and look great every day.
I'm loving that you're talking about this because so many people out there do want to get into this, and you see all the YouTube channels and you see so many people wanting. This is a great way to learn. And I also noticed you've got beauty tools down there,
so
which that's a big debate.
These are the same professional tools that I've ordered for years, and they offer these through Lime Life by Alcone. So you can get the same products that I'm using and many, many makeup artists all throughout the world are using on their clients. And you know, what I love about Lime Life by Alcone too is they've created a line that's specifically for everyday wear, because there have been things in my case that I use that's just too heavy for women to use on a daily basis. But they really educate you, they empower you. And what I love about the beauty industry and about this company is that when you're helping people feel good about how they look, it helps the inside inner confidence level. And so if you're looking for a business that you want to help others feel good about themselves, it's just the perfect way to go.
Well, I'm so glad we talked about this because I know we always chat your ear off when it comes to beauty products.
you.
And so you're making it easy for the people at home. And again, really quick, I know they have the website on the bottom of the screen. What is it again?
Lime Life by Alcone, and they've got a Jumpstart program for new beauty guides this month if you're interested. So
Good stuff. Thank
definitely
you.
check it out.
This is a good segment. This is a very fun segment. We
you.
appreciate you as always, Michelle.
Thank you.